you deaf? Okay. Can't you hear the bang on the gate?
Okay, that one. Oga don't hear him. I said, make I open the gate since. But the Spirit of God said to me, Basi! I said, yeah. He said, don't open the gate. That Auntie Nengi is the one knocking. Yes.
Hey, you're a fool. My friend, go open the gate and find out who's there.
Okay. Jesus, they can you!
Hey! What happened? Basi! Basi, come here! What happened?
Your lunatic ex-girlfriend.
Yeah?
She almost injured me. Listen,
Basi!
I did not sign up for any of this. I didn't. You know, us women, we're naturally jealous with a devilish mind. I do not want to be caught in the crossfire between you and your hunting girlfriend. I'm done with all of this.
Just calm down. Listen, it's okay, calm down. Just relax, calm down. Let me think of what to do. Babe, what do I do now? Yeah, you said you can drive, right?
What has it got to do with anything?
You said you can drive.
Yeah, so?
Because I want to give you one of my cars. Yes, anytime you want to go out, you can use one of my cars. Is that okay?
Thank you.
But you need a glass of water. Let's go inside. Basi! Okay. Lock this gate. Lock the gate.
Thank you.
Sorry. Basi! Okay. Lock this gate. Lock it properly.
Babe?
Yes, sis?
I would like to go to the hospital to see the doctor.
Why? Why do you want to see the doctor?
I think I may be pregnant.
You think? You mean at your age, you don't know whether you're pregnant or not? What's that supposed to mean?
No, it's just that I haven't seen my period this month, so I just feel maybe I might be pregnant.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I think that. Me too.
Dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone, baby. A lost lover, you were a reckless dream, a siren's call.
Chisom, there's no one out there. Are you sure you're not hallucinating?
Hallucinating?
Yes. You're probably imagining things.
But I sincerely thought I was going to get kidnapped.
Well, I went out and I didn't see anyone. There's no one out there.
And the gun you just tucked behind?
Yes, it's for protection. I mean, it's a bad neighborhood. I need to protect myself.
What if the police gets you with it?
It's okay. It's a registered gun, so it's all right. Hey, you need to chill, okay? Relax. I'll get you something to drink. Sit down.
My dear, what is there to contemplate about? Tell him what you told me. You're not doing it and that's final.
Look, Tony, you know Jerry has anger issues. What if he rejects the pregnancy?
Then keep it and have the child. After that, sue him. He'll be forced to carry out his fatherly responsibility. You know abortion is a crime in Nigeria, and once you mention that he forced you in doing abortion, my dear, he's finished.
Okay, you know what, I'll just call him and let's discuss about it.
No, you don't have to call him. Tell him to come over here.
Okay. Just hold on.
Okay? My dear, you and Jerry has been living under the same roof for 3 years now. And something like this is expected to happen. You're not a child to say that it happened by mistake or...
Look, I want to keep it. But sometimes I'm just scared about the Jerry that will turn up.
Come on, shut up. Whatever version of him that comes up, you have to embrace it with 2 hands. With your both hands there.
I know you will not understand.
Oh, I'm not ready to understand. Face your sweet, bitter lover as you've always done.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Before you got back yesterday, I was already asleep. I wanted to tell you something.
Okay, shoot.
I'm 5 weeks gone.
What? Really?
Yes.
And I'm sure you'd like to keep this one.
Yes. I would like to keep this one. See, in the past 2 years, I've already aborted 4 pregnancies for you. I mean, you don't want to be a father yet, and you also don't want to use protection. Look, I really want to keep this one.
Okay, you can keep this one.
Really?
Yes, I want you to keep this one.
Thank you, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're happy now, right?
Yes, I'm happy.
Come here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to be a mom.
I'm going to be
you
your
dad.
That's good.
I honestly can't wait.
I know that feeling.
What if it's a boy first?
You want to call the police or you want to be making 12 million naira from this?
What do you mean if I am going to be making 12 million naira from her?
Very simple. I will harvest her organ, sell them, then I'll split the money. Yes. But if you can call the police if you choose to. But don't forget, you are into sex trafficking. Yes. Don't forget that. Do you know you can be making cool money from these girls? Yes. You have a lot of them. You have a lot of girls whereby you give out for peanuts, but you can make cool money from their organs.
No doubt. I love money. When I say I love money, I mean real money. But do you know what? We just committed murder. We just killed someone.
Hey, come off it, come off it. There's nothing to be worried about. Yes, there's nothing to be worried about. Yes. It's an opportunity that can come to you once in a while. Or if you want me to stop calling you, I will stop calling you. Or do you want me to stop calling you? Okay, you know what? Maybe I have to give you some little time. You go home and think about it. Then you give me a call. Okay? Just go home and think about it. Then give me a call.
I want you to stay away from my man. And now that I have you one-on-one, I'm going to show you the way of the streets.
You're just so dumb. I'm wondering how such an intelligent man ended up with you in the first place. Why don't you just accept the fact that he doesn't want you or even love you anymore and just move on with your disgusting life?
I Nengi, to accept that I lost him to someone like you?
No. You didn't lose anything. He walked out on you. It's as simple as that. Listen, I know you're dumb, but at least ask yourself this question. Why did he walk away from me? Why did he switch from you to me? That's the question. That's what the question should be. And not you just putting up with this your dirty attitude of threatening and stalking him. Don't you have dignity? Where's your pride as an African woman?
You know what? You talk too much. I say you talk too much. You talk too much.
Babe, I'm back. Babe, wake up. I got you something really nice. Babe. Babe. Babe, wake up. Babe, aren't you hungry anymore? Wake up. Chiso. 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 Chiso, wake up. Chiso. 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 Basi! 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 Come here. Carry her. Let's go to the hospital. Quick. Carry her. Open the gate. Open the gate. Babe. Shit.
Now, who be that? I tell you the whole. bad thing. Oh, hold on. If you like say you know the fear.
Basi,
Okay.
what is wrong?
Okay, I beg no vex. I don't know say na you.
Are you out of your mind?
Okay, I don't know.
Did you buy this house for me?
No, okay.
Go on your knees.
Aya.
Go on your knees.
Aya. Okay, I'm sorry.
Are you on drugs?
No, okay.
Do you take drugs?
It's only paracetamol that I take.
Shut up! Now, who came into this house?
Okay.
Who came into this house today?
Okay. Okay, it's only Auntie Negi.
Who?
Auntie, is it Auntie Dengi? Yes, I swear to God, now only Auntie Dengi come this house. Oh. No other person come this house because now me they here. Yes.
But Basi, I thought we had an agreement she will never come into this house again. Why did you let her in?
Okay, I beg no vex.
Why did you let her into my house?
Okay, I beg no vex. Let me explain in details. Okay, I hear person not forget. I go open. I know say I make mistake. I suppose ask who they forget. Make the person talk. Make I know say na she. But I just open the gate like I don't know what thing do me. As I open gate, I see him. I say make her push him. Now she push me back. Her strength became more higher than my strength. She carry me away, and she enter inside. I'm sorry, Oka. I'm sorry. She overpower me. I swear to God.
Basi,
Okay.
you let her into my house. Stay here. Kneel down, stay here. Now listen to me.
I'm sorry. Oh, Engwood.
Hello? Good day, sir. You're Michael speaking. Sir, please, there's an emergency. I need you to pick up someone. Yes. She tried to kill my fiance. Attempted murder, sir. Yes, sir. My ex-girlfriend, actually. Yes. We're no longer together. Yeah, she comes to my house and threatens to kill everybody. She's a lunatic. Yes. So I need her taken away because if you don't take her away, she might hurt somebody. We're no longer together. We are separated. That's what I'm saying. Exactly, sir. Sir, as I speak, yes, she's very dangerous. She needs to be taken away, sir. We need to put her behind bars. If we don't do that, sir, she's going to hurt somebody. She might kill someone, sir. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
What?
Thank you, sir.
Why are you thanking me?
Sir, because I am happy.
Why are you happy?
Because you're about to take her away. Because even the Bible says that the affliction shall not rise the second
Shut
time.
up, my friend. Are you stupid? What do you think this is? A joke? Huh?
I'm sorry, Oka.
Now listen to. If you get up from here, if you as much as stand up from here, go there, pack your things and get out of my house. Consider yourself fired. What did I say?
If I get out from here, I should consider myself fired.
Or, okay, if you get up from here, I'm going to kill you. Do you want to die?
No, Oka.
Do you want to die?
No, Oka.
I'm going to kill you if you get up from here. What did I say?
You will kill me if I get out from here.
Fine. Do we have an agreement?
Okay. I am the breadwinner of my family. If I die, my family is gone.
Shut up, you foolish human being. Now, pray to God that Chisom gets better. Nothing bad happens to her. That she recovers fast. Else, I'm going to kill you. Do you understand me?
Yes, okay.
I'm going to kill you the second time.
Okay, okay.
Do we have an agreement? Do we have an agreement?
Okay, okay. Oh God. God save me. Father, remember your promise to me in the Holy Scripture. You said they thought you have...
Mercy!
Okay.
Now, go up and pack your things and leave this house.
Hi. This shall not happen to me. You said it.
The clients are ready. When are we getting the package ready now?
Maybe next week. Because I need to touch down my village to bring in more girls. You know, releasing my girls to you without them training the next set of girls I'll bring will be bad business for me.
Next week you said, but you should understand that there's no time. And it's bad business because there's no much time.
In that case, maybe I should prepare one of the girls for you this week. Then by next week, I'll give you the rest of the girls. So what do you think?
Next week you said?
Yes, yes.
Alright, no problem.
Deal.
Well, Mr. Jerry, you have been able to stable her from now, okay? But we'll still run some tests on her, okay? So you just have to calm down.
But I hope she will die. I hope she lives.
Just calm down. She will not die, okay? Like I said earlier, we'll still run some tests on her because of the baby she's carrying.
Please do anything you can, anything humanly possible to make sure she doesn't die. I don't want to lose her.
That's what we're doing, okay? That's what we're doing. You just have to calm down.
Can I see her now?
Of course, of course.
Lost affection, affection, lost affection, lost affection, affection, lost affection. Why did you fade out? Why did you fade out? Was it something I did wrong? Why did you fade out? Is there anything I did wrong? One more, one more. Why do you allow this love to decay? I'm reaching out for you, baby, but you are gone. You are gone. You leave me without saying goodbye, without saying goodbye. But
Are you surprised to see me?
Okay.
What? Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Thank God Chisom refused to press charges on you. She literally had to beg me to call for your release. Look at your life. You have nothing to, absolutely nothing to offer. All you do is squander my money. Huh? Now listen and listen good. Don't ever come close to me again. Don't ever in your entire existence come close to me again. Because you have nothing to offer me. All you do is eat my money, squander my money, and there's nothing else. You have nothing to offer me. Now, okay, wait. The career you talked about is no longer important, right? The career you talked about is no longer important to you, right?
Michael, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know I shouldn't have done that, but
Listen, don't come close to me again. Don't say I didn't warn you.
The month you paid for my service is over. I have to go back to my life. It's been weeks of great reflection and deep lessons.
Stay some more. Life is better here. With you.
No, I can't. The drama between yourself and your ex is something I don't have the strength to get myself entangled with.
Chisom, stop now. All of that is sorted out. Okay? It's sorted. It's not going to happen again.
Well, I know you have good intentions towards me. But you have to understand that not grace the runner, no be by a race. Anyway, are you coming to drop me or not?
You really want to go?
Mm.
Alright, I'll just get my car keys. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Babe, are you okay?
Oga, the food already. I see your food already. Oga, I no want chop.
I don't feel like it.
Oga, I want spark the truth. You go to my village people dey talk. I say if you want to talk to Elder, you can cover eye, cover your face, talk. You can cover face, talk to you. Oga, I know you miss her. You miss that auntie. I know you love her. Me, I miss her. You no feel complete. You are not completed until you carry her come. Second, no go feel complete with that center. Go and bring your completed. I beg. I don't say it like that. Give them some. Talk through.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes. Okay, listen to my advice. So, you sabi cook. I dey give better advice. Think calm. You miss her. No one talk true. I don't say you miss her.
In the dark of night, I feel your presence near. A whisper promise, a forbidden fear. Your eyes like lanterns in the dark of my soul, luring me deeper into the danger zone.
Stay some more. Life is better here. With you.
Lover, you were reckless dream, a siren call.
Madam, I don't got you. It's alright. I would like you to go meet a client for me today. What's happened the last time to repeat itself? Okay. Oh, don't worry. I come to you after. My grace food to them. Hey, I sent you the client seating. Go outside and say black. I'm here not so far. I'm not talking. Can you proceed? No, I just asked my case. When you go see me, no complete. Just so live my pleasure. I know they compete with Grace again. Just like Grace footing and Grace is one of the very soon.
Out of control. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. I'm so blind, but I will follow your heart. Maybe I'm a fool for loving you. Follow your heart into a danger zone. One more.
Hi. Come in.
Are you the one I'm waiting for?
Yes, come in, please.
But my auntie didn't tell me that I was meeting with you.
Hey.
She told me...
Hey, don't waste my time. Come in, let's go. Get in. Please, I have a lot to do today, so you need to hurry up, okay? Wait, can you go down? Go down. Go down and come back in. I want to see something. Go down. Can you turn around? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. I said turn around now. I paid for it. Turn around. All right, come in. Come in. Come in. Why are you getting mad? I paid for it.
What happened? How come you came to me with a different name?
So your boss refused to give me access to you. I had to ask my friend to get you for me.
Why are you doing this to me? What do you really want from me?
I want to take you out of that place.
That's not possible. We all took a blood oath with her. If we run away, we'll go mad.
That's not possible. That's not possible. That's probably an illusion, you know, a way to trap you so you can be loyal. Hey, you should stay with me, you know.
Truth is, I want to. But I'm afraid of bringing shame to you in the future. I'm too broken.
Anything broken can be fixed. Stay with me. I feel like you're safe here.
The blood oath. No, I don't want to go mad.
You're not going to go mad. You're safe with me. Like I said, it's just an illusion to get you, thinking that something bad is going to happen.
Oh, you didn't answer my question.
What's your question?
Why me?
You want to know? You truly want to know? Alright, I'll show you this. You remember this picture? Your mother used to work for my parents until your father relocated to the north and asked both of you to join him. I searched for you everywhere. I couldn't find you until that fateful night. How did you end up in that hole?
How did you recognize me?
That night, you kept saying, grace no be race. I totally remembered you with that. So answer my question. How did you end up in that hole?
My father. He was framed for fraud. The government seized everything. Due to the shock, he had a heart attack and died in the process. We had nothing left. My mom took us back to the village to start life afresh. Then one fateful day, Cynthia came and told my mom that she wants to take me back to the city so I could go back to school.
She did that?
No. All of us at the bar have been sex trafficked. And if you do not agree, you're beaten and starved for days.
The world is so cruel.
How about your parents?
My mother lives in London and speaking about my mother, I think I'm going to call her and tell her that I found a wife.
Oh, you mean you still want to marry me after knowing how broken I am?
Like I said to you before, anything broken can be fixed. Besides, I don't care about your past. Yeah. When I look at you, I remember that little sweet girl I fell in love with. And I don't care what you've done in the past, or as long as you agree to marry me, let's get married.
You are touched like wildfire. It's burning out of control.
Sandra! Sandra! Ay! Ay! Sandra!
I love you with everything that I have. I submitted myself and respected you. Not because of your money, or because you helped me set up a spa, but because I loved you so much. Jerry, I loved you so much. And what did I get in return? Beatings, accusations, cruelty. You see, I pardoned all your brutality. But you don't expect me to leave you being the free man, getting married, having kids. Why I walk out as the barren old witch? I cannot do that.
I'm sorry.
Jerry, I cannot do that.
Baby, I'm sorry.
You see, you were going to die here. And when they find you, take you for autopsy, whatever they want to do, I definitely will not be the suspect. Because the poison cannot be traced.
Please don't let me die.
Jerry, you are going to die.
Please.
That is your punishment for making me a barren woman. For making me lose my womb.
Sorry. Please.
Good night.
I'm sorry.
Have a good night rest.
No, please. Oh, please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please don't leave me. Baby, don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Oh, God.
What is the meaning of this?
Want to know the meaning? No problem. Mr. Kennedy and Miss Cynthia, you both are under arrest for the offense of child trafficking, murder, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, I would advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. One more thing, you have right to an attorney, and if you don't have, the state is willing to offer you one. Officer, move, take them away.
Move.
I said move them.
Move. Just be going. Don't worry.
Move.
Move.
You can use the car for you. I said move them.